हमारे डफल बैग्स हैं जो गाड़ी में जाने हैं, एक मेरा, एक तनवीर का, एक मम्मा का। ये सारा का सारा सेक्शन है जो एडमिंटन में खुलना है। अब ये पता नहीं कैसे हम गाड़ी में डालने वाले हैं, बट ये जानी तो है चीजें। ये वाला पाउच है थोड़ा सा टॉयलेटरीज का। ये सारी मेडिसिन हैं, सारी की सारी। ये चावल से दाना में मैंने सामान भरा है। तो ऐसे डिफरेंट डिफरेंट चीजें हैं। उसके बाद एक ये सेक्शन है। ये जो सेक्शन है सारा का सारा, ये हमारा खाने वाला है। ये घड़ियां छोड़कर, वो नहीं खाएंगे हम। Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is the day once we'll do all the packing and I would explain you how did I manage to do all of it, okay? So first thing first, we are moving to Alberta, Edmonton to be precise, and I've done all the research and everything. And if you haven't seen the video before this video, like the last week's video, I've explained you why are we moving to Edmonton, what is the reason, why are we really leaving Toronto and moving there, and the excitement and everything. You'll see it in that video. Today we'll talk about the packing. And also I'll show you the packing. So the first thing first, if you want to move from like cross country Canada, you have to either get your stuff shipped from packers or movers, like they would do on a trucking stuff and whatever, so that's their thing, or discard the products. That's the only thing you're left with. You can also get your car shipped, let me tell you that. You have to discuss with the company what are the charges that they are taking, and accordingly you can decide. So in our case, we want to drive and go to Edmonton, so it will be fun, like a 4-day drive. And let me tell you, the drive is from, if I want to tell to all the people living in India, it is from Jammu and Kashmir to Kanyakumari. So that is the drive that will happen. And now if I talk about the products and everything, I have done the research, so mostly 99% of the companies have bad reviews. So I'm really concerned, but then I have picked one. And I hope they deliver the stuff on time without damaging the products and everything is done smoothly. So we are going with HK Movers, and the experience, obviously I'll tell you later what would be the experience like. So that's first thing. Secondly, here how it happens in Canada. Talk to a number of companies, people for the packers and movers. Tell them what are the products you have, either verbally on phone or give them a list over an email. And this would include everything, like the bigger products, furniture. And when I talk about all the smaller products, I've told them that it will be like 10 medium boxes approximately. You cannot be exact till the time you don't have it in front of you. So they would also understand that. Now, according to the products that you've told them, they will give you the price. Now that price is not the exact price. The day of pickup, this is the worst part here. The day of pickup, they will pick everything up. They will take it to their, they will take it to their warehouse company, garage or whatever, and they would weigh everything. After checking the weight of everything, you would know if it is the same weight that they calculated on the first day or not. Supposedly on phone, they have told me it is 2,000 pounds as per what products I've told them. And on the date of pickup, the products weigh 4,000 pounds, they would take that much of money. If it is less, obviously they would take less money. So that's the thing. Fix the person, fix the pickup date, fix the pickup time, and then you have to also discuss with them, either these people are going to dismantle the whole thing and then they would rearrange the whole thing in the new place, or it's you who have to do it. Because in our case, they won't do anything. They would just wrap the mattresses. That's the only thing they'll do, and then they would just pick it up. They'll enter the house, pick up the stuff and keep it in their truck. That's about it. Rest, opening the furniture, packing the boxes, everything we have to do. And this is not the case. This is not like a fixed case with all the companies or with everyone. You have to talk to them, because we are saving money like that. If you don't want to do the packing, if you don't want to do the dismantling of the furniture and everything, you can tell the people, the packers and the movers company, and they would do that also for you. But then they would take extra charges. Extra means बहुत extra, like that, okay? तो अभी बहुत सारे लोगों से बात करी मैंने, पैकर्स एंड मूवर्स में बहुत सारों से. अब होपफुली, आई होप दिस पर्सन is good enough that we have chosen. And this is the situation for now. Now let's begin with the packing, but let me tell you how I have distributed the things. So these people would come at 7 PM on Saturday. So from 2 weeks I have been packing, and they would pick everything on Saturday. Example दे रही हूँ मैं, one of the Saturdays 7 PM शाम को, and then they would deliver in Alberta after a month. So we have to make sure वो एक महीने के लिए हमारे पास basic necessities हों जो हमारे साथ गाड़ी में जा रही हैं. Either we'll order it there or we'll buy it from Alberta. तो वो चीजें भी हमें देखनी है, and then whatever things we are sending it, we have to make sure ऐसी कोई चीज ना हो जो एक महीने में खराब हो जाए. So that's the situation. So we have 6 suitcases apart from the furniture that has to be packed with stuff, and then we have n number of boxes that goes on and on that we don't know. Okay, boxes का कहाँ से जुगाड़ करना है मैं बताती हूँ. Either you have to go and buy. यहाँ पर ऐसे मिलना मुश्किल है जो इंडिया में easily जुगाड़ हो जाता है, जाके खरीदो. But I would advise you, Dollarama जाओ या कोई ऐसी जगह जाओ, वॉलमार्ट जाओ, where you'll see people, okay, वो वहां से सामान निकालते हैं, शेल्फ्स में लगाते हैं, then they have boxes जो डिस्कार्ड होते हैं. Because I've worked in Dollarama, I know you can go there and take those boxes. उनको कोई नुकसान नहीं, उन्होंने वैसे भी डिस्कार्ड ही कर देने हैं सारे के सारे बॉक्सेस, तो तुम्हें दे देंगे. तो आई हैड अ वर्ड विद, उनके साथ मैं काम कर रही थी, तो मैंने उनसे बात करी Dollarama में, जिनको मैं जानती थी, जिनके मतलब वेयर आई वॉज वर्किंग, और मैंने बोला आई नीड n नंबर ऑफ बॉक्सेस, बिग बॉक्सेस, दिस इज द साइज दैट आई नीड. तो उन्होंने अरेंज कर दिया और मैं ले आई. तुम्हारे पास कोई नहीं है बात करने के लिए, जस्ट स्टार्ट गोइंग टू Dollarama एंड दीज प्लेसेस एंड स्टार्ट ग्रैबिंग बॉक्सेस एंड गेटिंग इट अलॉन्ग विद यू. So that's the only way left. Get sellotapes, like the tapes for the packing from Dollarama. These are the 2 things you need. And third, and if there's anything that you need, that I will tell you in between the video, okay? ये ऐसे फ्लैट बॉक्सेस हैं. इसको पहले हम बॉक्सेस की शेप देंगे टेपिंग कर कर. तो उसके बाद हम इसमें सामान भरेंगे. इसके बाद अब इसको हम डिसमेंटल करेंगे. ऐसे जिन जिन चीजों की जरूरत नहीं है उसकी पैकिंग शुरू होगी. तो पहली चीज जो हमें चाहिए थी वो थी बॉक्सेस. डन. अब हम उसमें सामान डालने लगे हैं. अब कुछ भी टूटने वाला सामान है, पहले तो नीचे मैं कपड़ों की एक लेयर बिछाऊंगी, फिर टूटने वाला सामान, कुछ भी फ्रेजाइल, फिर आसपास फिर कपड़ों का सामान. अब जो सामान ये 6 सूटकेसेस और बॉक्सेस में जाना है, दैट आर द क्लोथ्स ऑब्वियसली. सेकेंड वुड बी द ब्रेकेबल स्टफ, एनीथिंग विच इज फ्रेजाइल, एनीथिंग विच इज ऑफ ग्लास, anything which is breakable. So that is the second department. Third would be documents. Fourth would be food items, and then anything with furniture जो dismantle कर हमने pieces रखे हुए होते हैं, that you will see. I'll show you, okay? So we'll start packing the boxes now. I will show you the clip how I have packed n number of boxes. Go watch. So you've seen what I do is I make a mix of everything. So ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ कपड़े जा रहे हैं, सिर्फ ब्रेकेबल सामान, ग्लास का सामान जा रहा है या कुछ फूड आइटम्स जा रहे हैं, नहीं. So everything will be mixed together. Reason being, so that the glass doesn't break. Everything will reach in Edmonton at the same time. So I'll get the clothes, the glass, and the everything I'll get it at the same time. So there is no point making different boxes because I will open everything up at the same time, right? So that's the thing. Also go watch the things that we will open, the furniture part or anything small, like we have shoe racks. So how are we like dismantling the whole thing and keeping, so that it is easy for us to find it once we have to go there and reassemble everything. So go watch. ये वाली जो हम लाए थे कबर्ड सी, इसमें मेरे सारे बैग्स थे, वो हमने सारे निकाल दिए हैं. इनको अब हम करेंगे पैक, हैट्स भी, सारे बैग्स, और अब इसको हम डिसमेंटल फोल्ड टाइप चीज करेंगे. लेट्स डू इट. तो ये सारी की सारी डिसमेंटल हो चुकी है, और इसका जो पीसेस है ना छोटे छोटे, वो हमने ये डॉलरामा के बैग में डाल लिया है. अब हम इस बॉक्स में वो सारे डाल देंगे विद दिस पॉलिथिन, ताकि इजी हो, में पता हो किसका सामान कहाँ है. लेट्स डू दिस. डॉक्यूमेंट सॉर्ट कर रहे हैं, बहुत सारा था. हमने जैसे ये सारा का सारा डिस्कार्ड कर दिया, सारा वेस्ट डॉक्यूमेंट था. वो पीछे भी सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स वेस्ट है, वो फाड़ फूड़ कर हमने डिस्कार्ड कर दिए हैं. अब हमने जो फाइल्स बना ली, हमारे लिए इजी हो गया. ये यहाँ की फाइल, ये तनवीर की फाइल इंडिया वाली, ये मेरी, और ये यहाँ की 2 फाइल, ऐसे फाइल्स बनाकर ले जाएंगे, इजी हो जाएगा. तो अभी हम ये सॉर्ट कर रहे हैं. Then after packing all of this, the smaller stuff, we'll start arranging all of it in one room. So we would know exactly what are the stuff that goes in, and it will be not all over the house. Now, once all the smaller things are packed, we will begin to dismantle the bigger stuff like the bed, the furniture and everything. Also, there is this tip. I will mention the number of boxes. Like on all the boxes, I would mention the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I would know that if these people have misplaced any box or not. I would not give them a random count. 10 boxes the, 11 boxes the, kahan gaya ek box, not like that. Because if there are numbers, I would know there is this one box number 5 which is missing. So they would know. So that's the thing. I would also put this in the email or WhatsApp wherever I'm talking to this person, so he would know exactly these are the things that I'm sending with him. Now it's time to load everything up in the truck. Let's do it. bigger things have gone. I have the list of everything. What are the things, like major list. ऐसा नहीं एक येलो स्वेटर एक ब्लू स्वेटर नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. I have the list of everything. Like I have 12 boxes, example, these many suitcases, 4 tires and microwave and whatnot. So I have the full list of that. This is the bigger list which will come to me after a month in Edmonton. Now I have a list which is very important that goes with me in the car. Okay. So in that list, there are different departments again, let me just tell you about that. Let's talk about per person. So when I talk about the baby, which is the most important human being of our family, baby food, baby clothes, baby diaper situation, baby sleeping situation, let me check. Baby toys, baby grooming department. That is the department for the baby. And in that comes sub departments or sub products. That is that. If you want to know the detail of what I have taken, or if you are going somewhere, call me, I will explain, okay? Then comes clothes for all three of us, mom, me and Tanveer, toiletries. Then apart from that goes our food. Now in food, there are two types of food which goes. One food is something that we will have it while we are on a trip, which can be wafers, chips and stuff. And second are those which we will go to the hotel and we can warm it up and eat. That you will see it while we are on the trip. Okay, then we have two different handbags. One is with my mom and one is with me. So in that we will have our personal stuff, like immediate grooming stuff, like a comb, little bit of makeup, anything like gums. And then I have the gutka, like the praying book. All of that would go in our personal handbags. Then we have tissues, kitchen towel, wet wipes, so that if we need anything to clean up the whole situation or anything, we have it with us. Then medicine is something which is very important. I would have a separate box or a separate pouch made for that. Then there would be this one department which would go along with us, which would have the money, the documents and the cards. Any card, PR card, health card, any sort of the important documents, that is this. And then I have the tech stuff where we'll have the chargers, 3-pin, what else? Laptops, camera, GorillaPod, tripod, batteries, all of that. So that is one department. Then we would have the beanie, the jackets and the shawl for the cold weather. Then the mask and the sunglasses. Then I would have water. That is essential. And water bottles. Also I would have a number of polythene, because if I want to, like for the garbage purpose, if I want to throw something, we can do that. Not gaadi se hi ruk kar kahin dustbin mein bas. Then the footwear is also essential. That's this. So guys, this is the situation that I have with me. I would start packing for my road trip now, and that you would see like different departments. I would pack that.
ये सारा रणवीर का सामान मैंने बाहर निकाल दिया पैकिंग के लिए. ग्रूमिंग, डाइपर सिचुएशन, इसके कंबल, बेडशीट्स, इसका नेटवेयर, सब कुछ, मतलब इसके कपड़े, सारा कुछ मैं ये पैक कर लूंगी. जो हमारे साथ जाना है और वहां पे भी हम यूज करेंगे. हम ये डालेंगे सारा का सारा उस बैग में जो ग्रीन कलर का है, जो हमें इतनी यूज की चीज नहीं है, जो हमने जाकर सीधा एडमिंटन यूज करनी है. जो रेगुलर यूज की चीज है उसको हम दूसरे बैग में डालेंगे. तो पहले ये बैग पैक कर लेते हैं. सो गाइज, ये हमारे डफल बैग्स हैं जो गाड़ी में जाने हैं. एक मेरा, एक तनवीर का, एक मम्मा का. उसके बाद जो ये सेक्शन है सारा का सारा, ये सारा का सारा सेक्शन है जो एडमिंटन में खुलना है. अब ये पता नहीं कैसे हम गाड़ी में डालने वाले हैं, बट ये जानी तो है चीजें. उसके बाद ये चीजें हैं जो कि हमें रेगुलर बेस पे यूज आ सकती है. हमने पॉलीथिन्स में इसलिए डाला है ताकि इजिली फोल्ड हो जाए, इजिली पुश बैक हो जाए. हार्ड चीजों में डाला, जैसे मैंने ये पाउच बनाया है मेडिसिन का. ये वाला पाउच है थोड़ा सा टॉयलेटरीज का. ये सारी मेडिसिन हैं सारी की सारी. ये चावल से दाना में मैंने सामान भरा है. तो ऐसे डिफरेंट चीजें हैं. उसके बाद एक ये सेक्शन है, ये जो सेक्शन है सारा का सारा, ये हमारा खाने वाला है, ये घड़ियां छोड़कर, वो नहीं खाएंगे हम। तो जिसमें हमारे पास कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स हैं और हमारे पास ऐसे मंचकिंस हैं, कपा नूडल्स हैं, चिप्स हैं, पार्ले जैसे बहुत सारा सामान ये है। अब हम होपफुली गाड़ी में आ जाए। बाहर तो मैं दिखा नहीं सकती क्योंकि अंधेरा हो रखा है। हैंडबैग्स जा रहे हैं, मैं ये ले जा रही हूँ, मम्मा एक ब्राउन वाला ले जा रही है, वो नीचे अभी मम्मा ने सामान डालने हैं। फिर पीछे ये लैपटॉप बैग है और ये चार्जर है, ये भी करने हैं। सो इट इज अ ह्यूज मेस, जो कि ये सारा का सारा गाड़ी में मैं ओवरव्यू दिखा देती हूँ। ये सब का सब जाना है गाड़ी में और मैं कुछ भी डिस्कार्ड करने के मूड में नहीं हूँ। तो चलो, let us see. So guys, all the packing is done, everything is done. Now we have to load all of it, all this stuff, the packing stuff for the trip, in the car, and I hope that goes in. And obviously if there is something else that pops immediately, that this is something that has to come along with us in the car, obviously I'll keep it. But for now, I think I have packed everything. ये सबसे पीछे हमने एडमिंटन का सामान डाल दिया, जो कि यहाँ पे कहीं पे रास्ते में खुलना ही नहीं, सीधा हमने घर पे जाके खोलना है। ये हमारी कटोरियाँ सुंदर सुंदर, और पैक करते हैं। So guys, we will be sleeping on this today. That's the jugaad for the bed, and this is the cutest. रणवीर को भी बहुत मजे आ गया, कहता वाओ न्यू बेड। So you will see all the videos as per category and as per the sequence. You've seen, like before this, you've seen the video why we are moving to Alberta and the situation like, and what are the reasons and everything. Before this, now comes the packing. Then it'll be most probably the trip, 4-day long trip from Toronto to Edmonton, where we are stopping and everything. Also later, I'll make a special video exactly what were the expenses that we had to go through. If we want to move from one province to another, what are the expenses that we had bared. So you will see that also. So n number of videos, my house tour, their beautiful house tour, you will see all of that. But for now, I will end the video. Packing is done. We are a little nervous because of the long trip and nervous because of the baby. We just don't want that he should get tired or ill while we are on the trip, but fingers crossed, hopefully nothing would happen. Now I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye.